Hey guys, Zach here. If you have an early 2000s Subaru Legacy, Outback, Impreza, doesn't matter, automatic transmission, you hop in and you can't get it out of park, watch this video and see if you can save yourself some time and money.
Hop in mom's car to go Netflix and chill with your Tinder date and... Oh hey, it's what makes a Subaru. It can't leave the driveway. The shift interlock won't release, not letting you get out of park. Now you can bypass this with the little slot next to the shifter, but let's see if we can take the same amount of time and just fix the problem completely. The interlock works off the same circuit as the brake lights and the brake switch. So let's go ahead and see if the brake lights are lighting up. How about new? Alright, so it's probably an electrical issue. Let's check fuses first. The interior fuses are hidden next to your left knee in Subaru's version of a catch-all drawer. And we're going to check the fuse marked stop. And this fuse is popped like a grape, so let's swap her out and see what happens.
You got the brake light?
Yep, brake light's working. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to us. We'll be throwing up some quick tips and stuff in addition to all of our crazy shenanigans here at the shop.
Very hard to see. Very awkward to look that way. This is a struggle. I can't perform on camera.
Blooper reel.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button so we can keep delivering fun automotive content. Also, check out these other videos from our channel.